This is normally how I like my dogs to walk, out ahead of me, not pulling super hard on the leash, just out ahead of me. But if I need to get him close to me, like if I'm gonna pass a dog or turn directions, or there's a dog I'm about to pass behind a fence, then I'm gonna quicken my step. There's multiple ways to do this. One way is I'm gonna quicken my step and slide my hand or walk my hand up the leash as I go. So it looks like this. I'm walking normal. I'm gonna speed up while I slide my hand up the leash, feed it to my leash hand. Now we're this close. Yeah! And then he gets a treat for that. Wait. Free. Good, Dee! Yes, good! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, Dee! Let's go over here! Wow, Dee! Good, Dee! Good! Let's do it again. Good, Dee! Oh, it's a bug! Oh, I'm sorry. Good, Dee! Okay, watch where you're going. Let's go. Yes! Let's go! Good guy! Good. Oh, no. Good guy. Good. Yeah, Dee. Good. Oh, dear. We're going to get stuck here. Good. Yeah! Good, Dee. Yeah! Good. You hear that dog? Wow. Wow. Good. All right, let's go. Good. Yes, a good boy. That was a crazy bark. Yes, a good boy. Come here. Good. Back up. Good. Let's go. Good. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Here. Ooh, he's a loud boy. Here. Good, Dee. Here. Here. Wow. What a good guy. He's a loud boy. Okay, free. Go.